Sound issues on your Acer laptop? Device Doctor is here to help. Let's fix it step by step. Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings. First, open Google and search for the official Acer website. Search for acer.com and open the first website that appears. Once you're on the website, click on the support option. Now in this section, search for your laptop model. Our laptop model is Acer Aspire 5 A5557. After typing your laptop model and pressing Enter, the drivers for your laptop will appear here. From this section, you can find and download the sound driver. Once you've downloaded the file, first extract it and then run the setup to install it, just like in our video. Now, it will ask you to restart your laptop once to complete the process. After restarting your laptop, check if the sound issue is fully fixed. I hope your issue is solved as well. Please like and subscribe to support our channel.